What's up, Jooba people? Today we're learning how to play Zombie by the Cranberries. It's gonna sound like this. E minor, C major 7, or just C, G, easy G, 6. Super easy song, super beginner friendly, and sounds really cool. Okay, now these are the actual chords that they use in the original. I'm positive. E minor, no capo, E minor. This song's tuned differently in the original, but don't worry about that. E minor, C, this C. You can download the PDF in the description or request the PDF. It's free, but you just have to request it. And then I'll send it to you with the chord shapes and everything. C and then G. Now this G, original G would be like that, but this one you play with no fingers at the bottom. Just like that. And then D. It sounds really crap when you play it by itself, but if in the mix it sounds cool. You can also add the second finger here on the third string. So G minor, C, G, just down strums, D, E minor, C, G, D. La 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 da 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 bam ba da bam 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 ba da bam ba da bam 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 bam. Okay, so you got it. I think that's it. Yep.